Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and today we're going to be doing my catch-all plan with me and my DIY planner, which has an art cover, happy planner disc, and the inserts that I'm using are from my shop as well as available to patron elites. So we're moving into the February insert, and I think I'm going to organize them by putting each month on top of the other instead of behind the other. So here is January, if I can get there. So, and then I'm just going to put February on top because the month that we're in is the one I'm going to want to go to first. So I just have some divider pages in there, but this is what the insert looks like. You have a grid page here that you can do whatever you want. You have, that's dot grid, by the way. You have the month, and then you go into your weeks. So for this week, the Scrapcraftastic 2020 Weekly Planner Challenge prompt is Purple Passion. So I've pulled out a few washies. I don't have very much purple, actually. So I have these washies that I'm going to work with. And I pulled out colorful boxes 1 and 2, both of those books from the Happy Planner. I have this thin washi from the Happy Planner. It's black scallops. And I have these 2 sticker pads that I'll be pulling from. And I think that's it to get me started. I don't know, I might use this glitter as well, but we'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and take these pages out and get started. So this is one of the new exclusive doll sheets from Coco's Vision, and I think she's gonna be good. I mean, she's not actually purple, but the combinations of colors give a purple vibe. If you are interested in building your doll collection, check out Coco's Vision. You can use my code Rachelle20 to save 20% off your order. And yeah, I'm gonna put her right there. I think she goes well with the pattern that I have going on. And let's see, are there any other dolls that I want to use? I really don't want to use these up, but I think I have extra. Yeah, I do. So I'm going to use these on Tuesday and Thursday. because on those days I would like to go live. And even though that's kind of work related, I'm going to put it on here anyway. So that's Tuesdays and Thursdays on my other channel, Journal Life's Journey. Okay. And then I want to use some gem stickers. And these are from Gold Mine and Cocoa. No, I don't think I want to use that because there's going to be too many patents across the top of my page, and I don't really want to do that. So let's see if I can find something else to note going to the gym. These are my word and icon stickers. I guess I'll use some Piper Paper Co. I'm gonna move my shopping day to Fridays because I want to stay home on Thursdays so that I can record. So since this is the month of Valentine's Day, I want to come in and add something Valentine-ish, even though it's Purple Passion. So I'm going to just sprinkle out some hearts throughout, just to give it a little touch of Valentine's Day. Okay, I think I'm done. This is extremely busy and I like it. So I'm okay with it being very busy looking. Let's go ahead and pop it back in. That's it for this week's catch-all plan with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, where I do live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!